everybody, today is Monday, October 17, 2022, and I had a great day, so I thought I would do an experiment. And this is the experiment. The experiment is going to be with paper. So number one, this is paper dollars, because I'm not going to do an experiment with my real money. And two, the idea of the experiment is that for the next 5 days, I'm going to trade for about an hour or so, post it on social media, so you can sort of see my thought process as I go through these trades. Perfect world, I would just do this live, but I've tried that before, and it's very difficult to trade and go live at the same time. It messes with your mind. It's not easy. So when the bell rang, price shot up and kind of missed that part. I don't trade after the bell. I let the market settle out a little bit. And this is a 2-minute chart with ES, and it went back to green. And draw a trend line here, right? Reclaim the 50, up she went. This is my day right here, very nice. And then this is where I made the $4,200, was between these two blue lines here. And I'm pretty proud of myself because we have essentially a flat slope, kind of choppy, no real continuation. So I did 13 trades, 11 green, 2 red, pretty good, nice result. And in fact, if we could draw another, so I'm missing this now because I'm doing a video. We could draw another line like that, another fat W, and we're seeing some nice continuation here as well. Let me explain my trades. My first trade was shorts. So I typically trade in increments of 3 contracts at a time to a total of 9. So for example, here I shorted 3, I shorted another, well, 3 and 3 in succession, and just gave number 6 here. So I shorted 9 contracts, and then I covered here. So it dropped very nicely. I covered. This first trade was 1 minute long, and I made $1,025, which is a beautiful way to start a project. Very nice. And the question is, that I want to answer is, well, why did I short? I mean, we're above the 50. It's going up and up and up. You know, why short there? And the answer to that question is on a 2-minute chart. This dashed orange is the acceleration bands. And here at 1154, 1155, it just, if I turn wicks on, these are Heikin Ashi candles with no wicks. If I turn wicks on, you see it kissed it here, just like it's kissing it here right now. Kissed it, it had a nice rally up. I just thought that would be a nice place for a pullback. And I was correct, but I'm also a short leash trade because we are essentially going up. So that was my thought process there. This is 133 tick. I'm not sure if I said that before. 133 tick, so all these flags are not bunched up, they're more spread out. Again, I'm thinking this is just a little pullback. The mantra for a momentum scalper is this: is the pullback over? Is the pullback over? Is the pullback over? Right? That's the question you're always trying to answer. We popped back above the 50 EMA, very strong line. So I went long, and I simply got out here, badoink, badoink, right? Another nice trade. We fell back below, shorted, and got out quick, which was about right where this lines were here, right? If we go horizontal, it did go a little further, popped back above the 50 EMA, badoink and badoink. So I went long and got out here, which is about the same horizontal line as there, right? Because it could have just bounced. But still, that was a very, very nice trade. And then I was fussing with Camtasia, so I missed this big, beautiful drop. That's the way it goes. That's why this is an experiment. So again, here, if you look at the 1-minute chart, it's just kissing the 50 EMA, very strong line. So I went long, long, popped up, got out. Again, short leash trade, it's all going downhill. You need to learn between what's a short leash trade and what trade can you just sort of sit on for a little bit longer. Here, it was about the same horizontal line as here, the 50 EMA. So I went long. It dropped a little further. So I was negative a lot. Well over, I think, $1,500, I think, here. So, you know, not fun. When it popped up again and it just went to kiss at 50 EMA, that's when I got out. So this is a $75 loss. Very, very happy with that risk management. It's rare that I only have such good luck. Popped above the 50. I went long, 6 contracts, went long, 3 and 3 in succession. Went long another 3 here. It kind of zigzagged a bit, I don't like sideways because sideways is essentially 50-50. So I got out quick and just locked in a little piece of profit. I think it was like $37, 75 bucks. I mean, nothing much, but it could have gone any way. You know, again, I missed another big piece here because I was fussing with Camtasia again. But here we fell below the 50. And if we look, this was at 1236. And if we look on the 2-minute chart at 1236, well, 34, 36, again, it's kissing that acceleration band. So that's why I shorted. Down she went. Yeah, zwing, 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 right? I got out too quick, right? I shorted here just below. I got out here way too quick. But by now, I'm just trying to lock in profits quick because I'm approaching my goal for the day. I don't want to lose, half. So that was my thought there. Just lock it in, even though I missed this. I mean, just look at this beauty, right? Broke the trend line, went up for a retest, gave a result of the retest. It's a thumbs up for continuation. I call that a Santa candle, right? Beautiful high probability trade, and I missed it because sometimes I'm an idiot. I am going long, right? We've had a big drop. So the question is, why go long here? Yes, we're above the 50 EMA. And if you look at the 2-minute chart again, we're not really seeing the picture here at 1246. Like, why there? There's no moving average there. There's nothing of any interest there. Well, this is the advantage of having multiple monitors and multiple views, because if you go to the 1-minute chart, what we're seeing at 1246 is that it's kissing the acceleration band. So I had stepped away from acceleration bands and I've come back. That's my style. Go away, come back, go away, come back. Right after the bell, went up to, so this is standard acceleration bands, and this is standard deviations off of the acceleration bands, right? Just mathematically done. Dropped below that standard deviation, came back down, went up, tried to reclaim it here, came back down, bounced off the mighty 50, lost the 50 here, a little bit of a panic, and went down to where that standard deviation here of the acceleration bands shot up to where, to the acceleration band here, where it reclaimed it, right, to the next acceleration band. And this is where we are now. We are at 1246. So we're hitting it, right? We're hitting it. And you're literally seeing price kind of slow down. So I went long, okay? So I just wanted to explain that. Look at that. We hit it. We lost it here. Went down a little bit. I do love acceleration bands. They do tell part of the story. So I go long. I got out here a little quick. Sold the other 6 contracts here at the doji. Just keep going. Now I'm approaching my goal for the day, which is $4,000 or somewhere between 4 and 5. And I'm starting to go short and, go short, cover quick, go short again. We're below the 50. I covered quick. We went green here at 1 o'clock. If you look at the 1-minute chart, it's starting to go up a little bit. So went long, got out at the 50 EMA, went long, got out quick. And that was my last trade of the day. $4,237, about an hour's worth of trading. Very nice result because this is pretty choppy here. Flat slope, and so I'm pretty happy with that. So I'm going to do this every day for 5 days. I'm going to take an hour out of my day, paper trades, and record it and share it with you. And if that helps you, great. Good luck to you. And I hope you're having a wonderful day. Woohoo!